Okay, good morning everyone. How are you guys today? Good? Is there anyone here who's not feeling well? No? Alright, good. Yeah, I'm glad to hear that. So it means all of you here are ready to start our learning. Yeah, so welcome back in the class. And today I would like to present a new material for you, which is simple present tense. Yeah. So have you ever heard about simple present tense before? Anyone here? Probably Ashley. Have you ever heard about simple present tense? No? Alright. Bimo, how about you? No, as well. So it means that these materials here, simple present tense, are pretty new for you, yeah? Because no one here have already learned or heard that, yeah? Okay, that's fine, yeah? We will learn together, yeah? If we learn about tense, it means that we explore English grammar, yeah? So it must be fun. Well, you do think English grammar is fun, don't you? So don't worry, we will make it fun. Yeah, don't worry. Okay, simple present tense. You can use simple present tense when you want to describe the first, your daily routines, and the second, your general truths. Yeah. For example, daily routines. I go to church every Sunday. Yeah. So I apply simple present tense to describe that activity. I go to church every Sunday. That's because that is my routine. Yeah, I literally go to church every Sunday. Yeah, so I apply simple present tense to describe that activity. Yeah. And not only that, you can also use simple present tense to describe what you like, what you hate. Yeah. So it is called general truths. For example, Arya loves ice cream. Yeah. That is Arya's general truth. Yeah. He literally loves ice creams. Yeah. So you can use simple present tense to describe that activity or to describe that feeling as well. Yeah. All right. So let's get deeper into simple present tense. I have one example for you here. I live in Jakarta. Remember, in the previous meeting, we have learned about pronoun. Yeah, so pronoun can be a subject in a sentence. Yeah, so what is I? So what is I's roles in this sentence? Yes, I is a subject in this sentence. Yeah. And how about this one? What is it? Anyone? Yes, correct. This is a verb. Yeah. And more specifically, an action verb. Yeah. Usually when we form simple present tense in a sentence, we use action verb. Action verb is a verb that describes a real action. Yeah. So you can see, you can hear, or you can even smell it. Yeah. And live is one of the example of action verb. Yeah. The others there are sleep, jumped, eat, drink, all of them are action verb. Yeah. In this example, we use live. And this is a verb. Good job. And the next, you can also add more detailed information. For example, like this one is proposition, and Jakarta is a noun. Yeah. So it will be a complete sentence like this one. I live in Jakarta. It has subject, verb, and also detailed information. Yeah. And this is simple present tense. And probably I will bring to you another sentence, yeah, another example based on your life. Yeah, so it will be more related to you. So anyone here love something? For example, you love doing something, or you love a food. Anyone here? Okay, Ashley. So what do you like to do in the weekend? Oh, you love fishing. Okay. Wow, that's very good activity. Yeah? Ashley, Ashley loves fishing. Okay, this is our second example. So what is the subject of this sentence? Anyone here? Yes, the subject is Ashley. Ashley is the name of a person, yeah, so this must be a subject. And what is the verb? Good job. The verb is love. But did you notice something? Do you notice that I add s in the end of the verb? So why is that? Why I add letter s in the end of love? So it becomes loves. Anyone here knows the reason? Alright, that's because the subject is he or she or it. Yeah, so it becomes love. So we add s or es in the end of our verb. Yeah. So because the subject is Ashley, which is it, we add s. But if the subject I, you, they, we do not need to add s in our verb. Yeah. So got it? Yeah. Remember, if the subject is I, you, they, we, no s. He, she, it with s. Okay? Alright, good. And this is also the detailed information. So this is the example of simple present tense. Up to here, any questions? No questions? So you already got what I explained to you, yeah? About simple present tense. Alright, good. Now, I would like to invite you to play a game. You do love playing games, right? Yeah. This game is called Unjumble. So the game is very simple. I will give you a scrambled sentence. Yeah, a sentence with scrambled words. For example, loves fishing Ashley. Yeah. So we need to put these words in order. Yeah. So that the sentence is clear and makes sense. Yeah. So to do that, we need to move Ashley to the first part of the sentence. And after that, after Ashley, which is subject, what we need to decide? Yes, the verb. So we need to add verb in the in the second part of the sentence, and less fishing, which is the detailed information in the third part of the sentence. Yeah. So you need to put the sentence in order. Okay, let's play Unjumble. Alright. Here we go. The first scrambled sentence. So, who wants to go first? Who wants to complete the first sentence? Okay, how about you, Arya? What is the subject of the sentence? I. Good job. The subject is I. So we move I to this one, and yes, that's correct. The answer is I love cats. No S, just love, because the subject is I. Alright, the second sentence. This one is a little bit harder than the previous one, yeah? So, anybody want to try to answer? Anyone? Anyone? Okay, Bayu, please. So you have to decide the subject first, right? So what is the subject? Father. Okay, father. Don't you think there's something wrong with the subject? I think the subject is incomplete. Yeah. So what should we add to the subject, to the father, so that it become complete? Yes, correct. My. Yeah, so the subject is actually my father. Good job, Bayu. So after we get our subject, what things that we need to identify? What things that we need to decide next? Yes, the verb. Good job. So what is the verb? Drinks. Good job, Bayu. Yeah, so the answer is my father drinks soda. Okay, thank you everyone for participating in the game. So that is actually your pre-writing activity. Yeah. After this, we will write a lot. Yeah, we will write some of these sentences using simple present tense. So please prepare your notebook and also your pen. Yeah, because we are going to write in the next activity.